You're a tough one, I'll give you that. Your friends cracked before you did. All right, you want to play hardball? We can do hardball. I'm only gonna ask you this one fucking time. Who fried the fucking rice? You want to shoot the hard way? We can do this the hard way.
Stand down, Agent. Good to meet you. Steve, right? Steve Shrimp. 45. Bounced around a lot, it looks like. Joe's Crab Shack, Crafty Crab, Red Lobster, Long John Silver's. Fucking pathetic. Some time abroad at the Great Barrier Reef in between, looks like.
The whole, good cop, bad cop routine. It's a little cliche, don't you think so, detective?
I wouldn't say that really. More like good cop, better cop.
Yeah, right. You hate to see the bad cop, huh?
Listen, Steve, I'm gonna cut to the chase, okay? We know you know, okay? Somebody like you would know.
Right, yeah, like me.
All that bouncing around, somebody must have told you, right? So why don't you just save us and yourself a little bit of time and trouble and just tell us, who fried the rice, Steve? Who fried it?
Go fuck yourself.
Well, if you want to drag this out, I'm getting a little hungry. I'm gonna get something to eat. Tried to help you, Steve. Wakey, wakey, Steve. You thought this was over?
I got nothing to say to you, pig.
That's fine. I just wanted to wake you up and see if you were hungry. Thought you might be. You want a bite?
What is it?
It's an onion ring. Is it good?
A little cold.
Taste weird to you at all?
Tastes a little weird. I don't know.
Not fishy?
What the fuck did you do?
Did I say onion ring? I meant calamari.
You fucking pig! You cocksucking motherfucker! I'll kill you!
Hey, tell me who fried the fucking rice!
Fuck you!
Tell me, Steve!
I'll kill you!
Fuck you!
I swear to God, I swear when I get out of here, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I
and all
told
your
you.
pig friends.
I told you that this would get worse if you didn't cooperate. Now I'm gonna ask you one more fucking time. Who fried the rice?
Fuck you! I'll kill you! Where'd you get that?
I have my ways. Now you're gonna tell me what I wanna know, or Teresa and your little fucking popcorn shrimp are gonna get it.
Don't fucking touch my family. Fuck you! I'll never tell you anything.
All right, man. Agent, go ahead.
Okay, wait. Okay. Yeah, I did it. It was me. It was me.
Please, elaborate.
Now listen here, and listen good, okay? I did it. Yeah, I fried the rice. I fried the rice. The shrimp fried rice. Who would have thought? And you know what? If I could go back and do it all again, I would. Time and time again. I don't regret a goddamn thing. But let me ask you something. You think I'm the only one? I'm a fucking shrimp. There's a whole sea of us. There's millions in my family alone. You can't even fathom how many of us there are. So when I say stopping me won't do jack shit, it won't do jack shit. Yeah, I fried the rice. I fried the rice. I'll do it again. What's done is done. You can't stop what's coming. You have no idea what's been started. And I'm happy to give my life to the cause. So do your worst, you fucking pig. Do your worst. Put batter on me, throw me in some oil, and dunk me in fucking cocktail sauce. See if I care.
Agent, proceed. Thank you, Steve.
Long live the Shrimpvolution!